Okay, today I'm going to continue discuss about Qt. So basically, we have like so many tutorial T1 to T8, and except the T7, and for the others I can compile and then get a result. Um, yeah, let me see is there any result we can get. Qmake. Make. Um, 6. Okay, so as you can see here, I can change the numbers and also change the digital here. There's a slider and quit. Let it quit. Let's go to 8. Okay, so here you can also I'm going to directly run the program, and you can see here there's something I can move here. Actually, there should be a yellow area with the numbers. I can also connect them to each other. Okay. So today's task is going to design a radio interface. I didn't do it well, but the time is up. The time is up, so I'm going to discuss it anyway. So this is the radio project, and they're already like this. These several files are important, and other than that, it's not that important. Yeah. So it's a slider group and the windows. So the slider group. Okay, let me run the. Okay, let me see some Qmake. Radio. Okay, so this is the radio I designed for today. It looks really. It doesn't looks good, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to use it for today's discussion. Okay, so basically I'm going to open the Windows CPP, and also I'm going to open the slider group. So the slider group defines the slider group defines this area. So I command another scroll bar. Otherwise, we have more to look at. So basically, so it connects the slider with the scroll bar with the dial with the slider, and a dial with this. Okay, let's go back to the Windows CP. So here, you have to include so many files. Okay, that's one thing I need to mention, that when you want to use some variables, you have to declare in the head file. For example, if you want to use the AM label or the control group AM, you have to declare it first. Okay. And then so here is so here is a class defined by myself. So basically, you design a slider with this range, and the default value is 400, and also it is a horizontal. For example, as you can see here, I mean the slider here is a horizontal, right? And the range is 0 to 99. And then I'm going to connect the slider with the LCD. So this is LCD, and this is the slider. I think I didn't use this class. I'm going to skip here. And then later I'm going to design horizontal slider and the vertical slider. Okay, so the two slider is here. as you can see here, I can change the direction of the slider. So here is a connect. Connect the slider and the vertical slider, and the vertical slider with the horizontal slider. And also we have exist. So here, when I click this button, the radio will exist. Okay, I'm going to get it back. And also I'm going, yeah. So the exist button is quit all. It's actually connected to the queue app. So the queue app is going to let you quit. And also now you have a QH box layout, and then you can add a control group and a stack wedge. So the control group, what's this? It's something related to here. Okay, let's explain one by one. And then here you see and then here we're going to define a grid. So the grid can contain different, multiple LCD range. And then that's the reason we have 4 here, because we have 2, right? And then before that we have the FM. So the FM let you have this, and then you add the AM label and then the grid horizontally, as we define. It is a horizontal box layout. And here is the minimum spin box. So here we define the minimum FM and the maximum FM is here, and this is the current FM value. And here is you set the range. Yeah, and also here you have the horizontal and vertical, and then we design the control layout, and then we add the control layout to the control group. That's the whole flow for the radio interface. I didn't finish that yet, but I don't have time now. We have FM, we have bass, etc., etc. Here, okay, I got it. Yeah, I think now I can use this. Okay, it's vertical. Cool. Yeah, so you see, I add the slider here, and I also have the LCD. Maybe my LCD should be 3. 3 will be better. And before that, maybe I should define yeah, maybe I should also add this. Okay, let me try. Let's see if it works. No. Radio Q make. looks better. I'm going to define another one. It's a FM. Okay. BAS neighbor, and then I have to define it here. I have to declare here. Let me see. Okay. And then now I'm going to use it, and I think here should be AM. Okay, let me run again. Let me exit. No. Okay, so where is it? Oh, I forgot to add it. Okay, let me run again. Oh, let me make. Great. So now I can control the bus here. Alright. And also I can control the AM here. Okay, so this is the code I have so far. I think this code is okay now for me to move forward.